the Book of Mormon lost its strongest reading. Alma 39:13 presents one of the most intriguing textual problems in the Book of Mormon, because all three major textual stages preserve a different reading. The original manuscript reads, "Repair that wrong which ye have done," a phrase that naturally complements repentance by requiring restitution, while the printer's manuscript introduced "retain that wrong," a reading that remained in print for 90 years despite its awkward fit within the passage. In 1920, the LDS Church removed the troublesome word entirely, producing the current reading, "Acknowledge your faults and that wrong which ye have done." Yet this revision left the sentence grammatically weaker than either manuscript form. Given the original and printer's manuscript evidence, and Alma's emphasis on active repentance, repair remains the most coherent reading and best preserves the original intent of the passage.